The frequency of maintenance of vertical wood can differ from project to project. Depending on the wood type, the color of the oil and the location, maintenance will be required sooner for some than for others. Dampen the surface with water. Use a garden hose, but never a high-pressure cleaner. Take exterior wood cleaner and pour it in a bucket. Always use gloves and be careful the product does not get in the eyes. Now apply some undiluted exterior wood cleaner and scrub it with a nylon scrubbing brush or a red scrubby pad in the lengthwise direction of the wood. This will cause the product to foam. Once the wood is clean, rinse thoroughly with water until all the foam has disappeared. Allow the surface to dry completely. Take the hybrid wood protector in the color that the windows were originally treated with and shake well. When using multiple cans, mix them together for an even result. Pour the required amount of oil into a mixing container. Add precisely 10% accelerator and stir well. Keep in mind, once mixed, you have 4 to 6 hours to use the product. Now apply a layer of oil with a flat paintbrush. Always work areas which allow you to apply the oil and remove the excess within 10 to 15 minutes. Also work in the lengthwise direction of the wood. Leave the oil to react for 10 minutes and then smooth the surface again with the same brush but without applying new product. After 5 minutes, wipe off traces of excess product with a lint-free cloth. Only apply when weather conditions are dry and temperature is above 10 degrees Celsius. Also, avoid working in direct sunlight. Let dry for 24 hours. Complete curing takes place after 7 days. Cloths saturated with oil may spontaneously combust. After usage, they need to be soaked in water before disposal. Do a visual checkup after 1 year, right after the first winter season, and do some local touch-up with the hybrid wood protector in the original color where the color has faded. After 3 to 5 years, depending on the wood type, the color, and the location, you'll have to re-oil the whole surface, but you'll never have to sand again.